Welcome to NTCL Soft. Today, we will find intersections between 2D polyline and 3D lines. Objects are selected from active space, filter by object type and layer or fence. For 3D objects, layer filter is preferable. Type F and draw a fence polyline to select objects. Important note: each object in primary group must be planar object. 3D polyline is not a member of primary group. 3D polyline is only accepted in secondary group. For group with large number of objects, sorting, numbering and calculating intersections process may take lots of time. So, it is recommended to check the settings carefully. Now, we will calculate and insert block instances at intersections. User can change block insertion X, Y, and Z scale. A negative value means mirroring. We can also use select similar command to quick select all block instances. User can get more information about the calculation process from the text box at the bottom right. Now, let's learn more about the two miscellaneous options, 3D intersection tolerance, and 3D intersection placed on primary object option. With tolerance value equal 0.3 or 1 model unit, no apparent intersection found. Because the distance between two objects exceed tolerance value. If 3D intersection placed on primary object option is checked, apparent intersection 1 on primary object is considered as intersection. If not, apparent intersection 2 on secondary object will be selected. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. For more information, please go to our website at www.ntclsoft.com.